Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make turmeric shot with our Koso. Turmeric is known as a strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Many studies shows it might be beneficial for people who are suffering from overweight, diabetes, arthritis, and even cancer. Today I'm going to add fresh ginger. Ginger helps digestion, it helps empty your stomach. It's also great for nausea and upset stomach. And our Koso, you probably already know, it contains probiotics, prebiotics, postbiotics, enzyme, and polyphenol to help your gut health, support digestion, immune system. So this turmeric shot will give you quick energy and help your immune system, lower inflammation. It will help you stay young and healthy. And it's so easy to make. You just need to put everything in the blender. So I have turmeric and black pepper. Curcumin is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant property in turmeric. Black pepper helps absorption of curcumin, so I'm going to add black pepper in here and ginger. 1/8 cup of ginger and 2 serving hours Koso, 2 tablespoons, and half the lemon. If you don't have a fresh lemon, you can use lemon juice, or you can use lime as well. Lime is smaller, so you can use whole lime, 1 or 2. Instead of lemon and lime, you can use a little bit apple cider vinegar as well. And 1/4 cup of water. I have turmeric ginger juice here. When I don't have energy, or when I feel my immune system is low, I often get those wellness shops from Whole Foods or any health food store, and they give me energy and I feel better after I take those shots. This is like that, and you can easily make this at home. And when you buy those shots, it's expensive. And when you don't have energy, you don't want to go to the store, and making this is so easy. Yeah, I have a strainer. I'm going to strain this. So here is turmeric shot with probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics. It contains lots of anti-inflammatory, antioxidant property. This helps you keep your body and mind healthy and beautiful. You can drink in the morning to get energy for the day, or when you're not feeling well, drink this to support your immune system. Hope you like this probiotic turmeric shot. Cheers!